AutoCAD has a number of nice commands for modifying drawing objects. Plus, it has a number of nice ways for selecting objects that you want to modify. You can notice in the modify panel a number of modifying commands. Plus, when you click this little arrow right next to modify panel, you will see other modifying commands. Let's take a look at move command. You can select the move command. Whenever you select most modifying command, you will get what is called a big box. A big box allows you to pick an object you wish to move. However, you can also select a number of objects at the same time without being selecting each object individually. One way of selecting multiple objects to be modified at once is by using window option. You can click to the left of object you wish to modify. In this case, I want to move the circle and the triangle, so click somewhere above the object from left. Now, after clicking first point, the AutoCAD shows you window selection mode. Notice if I continue my selection to some parts of this rectangle, because I'm not surrounding my selection to this rectangle, this object will not be selected. You see only circle and triangle is selected. Once you select, you can press enter. Now AutoCAD will ask you a base point, some point of reference that you want your selection to move. Just click any point. So this allows you to move the selected object and click the point you want your object to be moved. Let's see again move command in another method. Suppose I want to move the circle and triangle plus this rectangle. Let's start from right side going to the left. For example, click here and drag to the left. What you see is called crossing box instead of window mode. Notice when we drag and go to the right side, we get a solid window mode. But when we drag to the left, a crossing box is shown. So what this does is everything that this crossing box touches will be selected to be modified in this case. Once you select, press enter and ready to move. Another way of selecting objects using move command is using fence command. Now choose move command, then type F for fence command. What this does is it will allow you to create fence. Everything it touches will be selected for modification and press enter. You see everything fence touched is selected, not the arc because it did not touch it. Another way is using last option and previous option command. In this case, I will select this rectangle. Let's say I want to move this rectangle, so click move and type L for last and press enter. So in this case, everything which I do last will be selected and press enter. And you can move the object. Another way is, suppose I want the objects to this place right here, then I want to move again. In this case, you type P for previous command and enter. It will select the previous command and you can move the objects again. Another simple way is, and one of my favorite, is press enter key again to activate the previous command. Let's say I want to move this object to here. So if I want to move again, simply press enter key and your object is selected. and you can move again to new position. In this way you can move objects in different options. This ends move command option. Thank you.